Most men think they have a dating problem. They think they need better text game, better pickup lines, more confidence. But that's usually not the problem. The real problem is they're trying to get results from a social circle that does not exist. If you spend most of your time alone, your opportunities will always be limited. Today, I'm going to show you why social circle might be your biggest bottleneck in your life. So, this isn't just about dating. Your social circle affects your opportunities, your friendships, your relationships, your career, your confidence, your lifestyle. The people around you influence everything. That's why I call this the social circle advantage. And the cost of isolation is usually that you are going to have fewer dating options, a smaller network, no introductions, no relationships from your interactions. A lot of guys, the way that they live is work, gym, home, repeat. And that's like the typical routine of a normie. That's exactly what we do not want. Before we jump into the video, gentlemen, we are having our meetup at the end of this year. We're aiming for September or October. I made this form here. We're going to Cartagena, Colombia, one of the best places that I've ever been to. Very fun, a lot of activities. We'll be doing sparring, some workshops, meeting other high level guys. If you're interested, I'll link the form below. Fill it out just so I know who's serious about showing up. Pretty easy form. It just walks through simple information, your interest level, all that good stuff. Fill that out. Also doing one-on-one coaching. Shoot me a DM here on my Instagram, Images Power, and I'm more than happy to work one-on-one with you. So jumping into the presentation, the social circle advantage, why most men never meet anyone. So like I said, the cost of isolation is lonely weekends, nobody to call, few dating options, no invitation, stagnant growth, and you're usually invisible to others. The power, on the other hand, of establishing a strong social circle is the network effect, where you'll have more friends, more dating opportunities, more career opportunities, better social life, higher confidence, and overall a richer lifestyle. So to start, fitness communities. That's probably the easiest way to develop a stronger social circle. This is what I leverage, especially when I'm traveling, when I'm in South America, any country that I go to. I just join a boxing gym, MMA gym, and I start to meet more people. I start to meet guys that are interested in the same things that I am, like MMA, UFC. I always have buddies to go watch a UFC fight on the weekends because your shared struggle builds connection, especially with boxing. A lot of my boxers, my fighters know this. When you're learning something that difficult, you're going through different struggles. And when you struggle with other people, that builds a stronger connection. So that's probably the easiest way. Everyone needs to be in the gym. Everyone needs to be training. So if you do have a boxing gym close to you, I would also aim for a more a higher quality gym because there you'll meet higher quality people. You don't want to get like the cheap gym membership at a cheap gym. You're going to surround yourself with people that are at a higher level if you join a more premium gym. The second thing is faith community. So this would be like church, volunteering, service, study groups, because shared values create trust. What I love about living in South America, in Latin countries, is that just about everywhere that I go, there's Catholic churches, beautiful cathedrals, and there you can meet some amazing people, especially volunteering, helping the community just feels good, and you meet a lot of amazing people as well. Third thing is professional communities. This is exactly what we will be doing in Cartagena, Colombia when we meet up. Networking, conferences, co-working, workshops, opportunities flow through people. Some of the best people that I've met have been through professional communities. Some of my best friends that I met in Orlando with my mentor MLD and all the good guys from Orlando. Shout out to the Orlando Killers. Still hang out with these guys today, and they're some of my best friends. So getting into professional communities is powerful. Fourth is hobby communities. So this would be things that you're interested in: dancing, salsa, bachata, merengue, line dancing, country dancing. If you like photography, videography, get into communities that do that, that do meetups for that. Language exchanges. This is great when you're traveling. You get to meet other people that are from the States that also speak English, so they have similar backgrounds to you as well. I made a lot of great friends in language exchanges. Creative groups. Again, this would be creative hobbies. If you like to play an instrument, start a band, start a group where you can play music together. because interests create conversation. You can just by doing the hobby, you're going to have a stronger connection. And finally, friend groups. So this would be dinners, gatherings, parties, introductions. Most relationships come through people. This one is powerful. Like here, I've been traveling in South America and I met a community, especially right now with the World Cup happening, where it's we have a US group and a Mexican group and we go watch the soccer games together for the World Cup. And that's just a great place to meet new people, to mingle, and further develop that network. So your network shapes your opportunities. And like I mentioned, guys, I've been everywhere. I've been in Lima, Peru, Medellin, Colombia, Mexico City. And every time that I change, my environment changes. And I've quickly noticed that the faster I start to develop a strong social circle, the better opportunities are presented for me. I have more friends, more dating opportunities. This was powerful for dating as well, because you get to meet a lot of women that you would not have met otherwise if you were not involved in these social circle situations. Career opportunities, you meet more people, you just network, you pick each other's brains, better social life, higher confidence, and overall a richer life. That's what we want. At the end of the day, we want a richer lifestyle. It's not about popularity, it's just about developing a richer lifestyle. So that is the social circle advantage. Like I said, your network shapes your opportunities. We will be having our meetup at the end of this year. Make sure to fill out that form. Also, follow your boy on Instagram. Shoot me a DM if you're interested in working one-on-one. And if you ever feel lonely, if you feel stuck, if you feel like nothing is happening in your life, don't immediately assume you need more confidence. You might simply just need a bigger social circle. Get out there, meet new people, enjoy things that you already like. Like, think if I was back in the States, I'll probably be doing a lot of golfing. I'll probably be doing a lot of shooting, going to the shooting range, maybe some car meetups, fishing as well. But since I'm traveling so much, my biggest leverage opportunities are in boxing, are in MMA, are in gyms, language exchanges. So you do have to adapt to your scenario, to your lifestyle. But once you find that thing, those different things that will enhance your social circle, man, it's gonna take off. You're gonna just have a more richer lifestyle. So if you got value from this video, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. This is episode 6 of the Image is Power series. In the next episode, we're going to talk about something that destroys more opportunities than most men realize, and that's the approval trap. So stay tuned for that. As always, stay fresh and stay confident. I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.